The deers of Dublin.
Alright.
You got a friend there? You
Yeah,
just
you
cleaned
cleaned
that branch off.
Nah, there's no more of it.
I had to do a lot of cutting and editing on this. I had a little bit more video, but I didn't want to put too many people's faces in it. You know, just so I wouldn't get a strike or anything, you know, if somebody complained. But I thought it was pretty interesting to see all these deer gathered up like this with people walking around, people feeding them. The only thing was we had to make sure that we sanitized our hands real well after, you know, leaving them, and checking for ticks because deer are well known to have ticks and other parasites on them. I hope this one lady here doesn't mind. Couldn't really see her face too well, hopefully, and she won't really care. So I just thought it was pretty interesting that we were able to hand feed these leaves off the trees. They were very friendly. They are protected in Ireland. That's why you see the tags on a lot of their ears. But they also had a lot of the trees, the smaller trees, blocked off further in the background. I don't think you could see the smaller trees, but as we drove around this park, we could see that a lot of the trees had, you know, wire meshes around them, keep them, the deer, from eating the bark off of them, because of course they'll kill the trees. But pretty interesting, pretty cute. I got to feed some myself, some of the leaves. Really unique to see these deer right here with people, not afraid of the people. But I really enjoyed this part because I just thought they were so cute. They were also very small compared to the deer that I've seen in other parts of the United States. Kind of remind me of a bunch of big Bambis, reindeer. But I hope you enjoyed this. Put a few pictures here at the end, just that I thought was pretty cool. They were really just very friendly deer. So like, subscribe, share. I hope you enjoyed my little deer presentation, the deers of Dublin, I called them. I don't know if we were really in actual Dublin, but really enjoyed this. This part of the trip was really nice. All right, again, thanks a lot for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. All right, bye.